as vloek.
Ja.
En daai fucking bombshell recording page, fucking record net ander mense se kak, maar nie die bomsquad se kak nie. Want as ek ingaan by haar page, is dit net ou Evo se fucking gesiggie met drama en kak. Maar daai fucking vroumens wat so kamstig eerlik is, post nie Dr. Jan se vuil fucking back nie. Check man. Dr. Jan, as jy 'n bomsquad hier in Joburg het, stuur hom na my poes huis toe. Ek sal vir jou wys wat doen ek met hom. Kan fucking wie wees? Hy kan die god wees. Ek sal hom volg. Hy kan my hof toe vat ek voel ek fuck tek jou poes. Ek sal vir jou wys wat doen ek met hom. Dan sal hy met sy fucking gebreekte poesoog vir jou sê, daai Evo is hy. Poes man, check. Nee, maar het maak my kwaad, bro. You know, I must say sorry. I must say sorry when I fuck up. But those motherfuckers, hulle dink hulle sterk. Fuck julle, man. Eish.
Our brains.
Put it louder. Just that last bit, so we can hear La Familia.
You don't have to look
The
strong.
Mafia.
You just do this.
We are the Mafia from Israel.
No, but it's like that, bro. Why?
You live in a matrix. Basically. The
They
matrix
must
is true.
come.
The saying.
They must come.
The matrix is true. I don't know if you believe in the matrix.
It is true, bro.
Do you believe in matrix?
Obviously, bro. We are in the Matrix at the moment. Who's fucking with you, Abba? Who must I kill?
No, it's not about who's making trouble. It's about people making kak on social media. Maar daai recording pages kruip gat by daai sekere groepie. Want daai recording pages post nie hulle, maar hulle is vinnig om my fucking live te record.